Welcome back. It's possible that you may want to export all of your members into another platform. You can do that in your Members tab. What you can do is you can go to this Export area and you're going to click on this Export tab. What you're going to see is that you will then have a CSV file with the contact information that you can save to your hard drive. You can also open this file. One of the things that you're going to notice in the CSV file is that you will not have the email address to export to a new platform. What you will have are the answers to any questions that you have asked your visitor when they join your school account. So it's a good idea to go into your settings area. Now what you'll then want to do is to go to the plugins tab. What you'll then want to do is you'll want to click on the edit button. And a question that you may want to ask is for the email address. You're going to see that there is a specific response type. What you can do is you can select the response type to be an email address. You can then add this question to this area. And basically what this is going to do is this is going to give you the opportunity to ask for the email address so that when an individual becomes part of your school account and you have to export using a CSV file, you will have collected the email address when the individual becomes part of your school account. Now you can also import members into Skool if you have a CSV account from another platform. What you'll need to do is to go to the settings area. What you're going to see in the invite tab is that you can click on import CSV file. You're going to click on the import button. What you're going to notice is that Skool will give you a template to use in order to place your information inside so that when you upload your file, it will map all the fields correctly. What you'll notice is that what is required is going to be the individual's email address in order to move them into your school account. What will then happen is that individual will then be sent an invitation to join your group. They will then set up their account and place in their name and email address. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.